Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're thrilled to have you join us for another exciting exploration into the world of nutrition and wellness. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover some surprising facts about a vital nutrient. It's Camille, your guide to all things healthy and delicious. I'm excited to share some insights that might just change the way you think about getting your daily dose of vitamin C. When you think of vitamin C, what's the first thing that pops into your head? You probably picture a juicy orange, right? It's the classic association, the go-to fruit when you're feeling under the weather. But the world of vitamin C is way bigger and more exciting than just citrus. There's a whole universe of fruits and vegetables packed with this essential nutrient, just waiting to be discovered. Today we're uncovering 17 fruits and veggies that are vitamin C powerhouses, each offering a unique flavor profile and a wealth of health benefits. We're going beyond the orange and diving deep into the colorful world of produce, many of which will surprise you and even outshine oranges in terms of vitamin C content. Get ready to have your mind blown as we reveal some unexpected sources of this vital nutrient. You might even find some new favorites to add to your diet. Vitamin C isn't just for fighting colds, it's so much more than that. While it's true that vitamin C can help boost your immune system and shorten the duration of a cold, its benefits extend far beyond just warding off sniffles. It's a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage, crucial for collagen production, keeping your skin youthful and your joints healthy, and essential for a strong immune system, helping your body defend itself against illness. It's truly a multitasking nutrient. Humans can't make vitamin C, unlike many other animals. Our bodies simply lack the enzyme needed to synthesize it, so knowing the best sources is key to maintaining optimal health and well-being. We need to actively seek out vitamin C-rich foods to ensure our bodies have enough of this vital nutrient. But vitamin C is delicate. Heat, light, and air can destroy it, making it challenging to preserve its potency. This means that how you store and prepare your food can significantly impact the amount of vitamin C you actually get. I'll reveal these superstars, the 17 fruits and vegetables packed with vitamin C, and share practical tips to get the most out of them, ensuring you're maximizing your intake of this essential nutrient. Ready? Let's dive in and explore the wonderful world of vitamin C beyond the orange. Get ready to be amazed by the variety and abundance of this essential nutrient in the plant kingdom. Let's talk about a true unsung hero of the natural world. Number 1 on our list is the rose hip. These vibrant little fruits often go unnoticed, but they pack a serious nutritional punch. The rose hip is a fruit you might already know from your favorite herbal tea blends, or perhaps you've admired them while strolling through a rose garden. They develop after the rose petals fall away, a sign that the plant is moving into a new phase of its life cycle. But beyond their aesthetic appeal and subtle flavor, rose hips are a vitamin C powerhouse. They are one of nature's most concentrated sources of this essential nutrient. Just a handful of dried rose hips can easily meet or even exceed your daily recommended intake of vitamin C. This makes them an excellent addition to your diet, especially during times when you need an extra immune boost. In fact, rose hips contain significantly more vitamin C than several oranges combined. This makes them a more efficient way to get your daily dose of this important antioxidant. You'll usually find them dried, which concentrates their flavor and nutrients, making them perfect for brewing tangy and invigorating teas. The drying process also helps to preserve them so you can enjoy their benefits year-round. Or, for a more concentrated dose, they can be ground into a fine powder and added to smoothies, yogurt, or even sprinkled over your morning cereal. The possibilities are endless. It's truly amazing how something so often overlooked, growing wild and free, can be such a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a wealth of health benefits in a small package. So, next time you see a rose bush, especially after it blooms and the petals have faded, take a closer look. You might be surprised at what you find. Look closely for these little red jewels, these vibrant fruits that hold a secret treasure of vitamins and antioxidants. They are a gift from nature, waiting to be discovered. Now you know the secret they hold inside, a concentrated dose of vitamin C and other beneficial compounds, ready to support your health and well-being. So embrace the power of the rose hip and add this unsung hero to your daily routine. Coming in strong at number 2, we have the remarkable sea buckthorn. These little dynamos are nutritional powerhouses, often overlooked but certainly not to be underestimated. These vibrant orange berries are absolutely packed with vitamin C, exceeding even that of oranges. They're a fantastic source of antioxidants and other essential nutrients, making them a true superfood champion. Now, be warned, they're intensely tart. That puckering sensation is a testament to their potent flavor profile. Because of their strong tartness, you'll usually find them processed into juice, which is a refreshing and concentrated way to enjoy their benefits. Or perhaps as a luxurious oil, prized for its skin-nourishing and healing properties. It's a versatile ingredient in many cosmetic applications, or transformed into a delectable jam, offering a sweet and tangy spread that's far more exciting than your average fruit preserve. It's a great way to introduce sea buckthorn to your palate. A simple and delicious way to tame the tartness is to mix sea buckthorn puree with honey. The honey's sweetness perfectly balances the berry's intensity. This creates a sweet tart drizzle that's fantastic over yogurt, adding a burst of flavor and nutrients, or as a unique and vibrant dressing for your salad. Their flavor is undeniably bold, a unique combination of citrusy tang and earthy undertones. But with a little creativity and experimentation in the kitchen, they're not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious, adding a vibrant boost to your overall well-being. Sea buckthorn is living proof that superfoods don't have to be bland or boring. They can be both unique and thoroughly enjoyable. So, don't overlook this nutritional gem. Embrace its tangy power and discover the many ways it can enhance your diet and your health. Number 3 is black elderberry, famous for immune support and high vitamin C. These dark berries are loaded with antioxidants and are often made into syrups, gummies, and jams. Elderberry syrup is a popular way to enjoy their benefits. Important, always cook elderberries. Raw berries and plant parts can cause nausea. Properly prepared, they're a tasty and safe way to boost your health. Elderberries are a must-have for your vitamin C arsenal. Number 4 is the red and yellow bell pepper, a vitamin C surprise. A single red bell pepper has more than double the vitamin C of an orange. For the biggest boost, eat them raw. Heat destroys vitamin C. Try a quick salad: sliced peppers, cucumber, cherry tomatoes, olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. It's crunchy, refreshing, and loaded with nutrients. Don't underestimate these colorful veggies. Number 5 is parsley more than just a garnish. Just 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley have more vitamin C than a small orange. Sprinkle it on soups, salads, or blend into sauces and smoothies. Treat parsley as a leafy green, not just decoration. It's also rich in vitamin K and antioxidants. Unlock its full potential by making it a regular part of your meals. Number 6 is guava, a tropical fruit with a sweet, unique flavor. One guava can give you more than double your daily vitamin C. The skin is edible and packed with nutrients, just wash it well. Eat guava raw, add to fruit salads, or blend into smoothies. Its versatility and nutrition make it a must-try. Don't pass up this tropical treasure. Number 7 is kale, the king of leafy greens. A cup of raw kale delivers a big vitamin C punch plus loads of other nutrients. To make it tender, massage chopped kale with olive oil and salt before eating. This simple trick makes kale more palatable and preserves its vitamin C. Add it to salads or smoothies for a nutritious boost. Number 8 is the acerola cherry, the ultimate vitamin C champion. Acerola cherries have up to 100 times more vitamin C than oranges. They're often found as powders or purees, perfect for smoothies. Try blending acerola powder with banana, spinach, and almond milk for a potent drink. The fresh fruit is rare, but supplements are widely available. Acerola is a true superfood for vitamin C. Number 9 is kiwi, vibrant sweet tart and loaded with vitamin C. One kiwi easily covers your daily needs, plus it's rich in fiber and vitamin K. The skin is edible and triples the fiber, just scrub and slice. Kiwis are a healthy, convenient snack or smoothie addition. Don't peel, enjoy the whole fruit for maximum nutrition. Kiwi is a small fruit with big benefits. Number 10 is blackcurrant, tiny, tart, and packed with vitamin C. A single serving provides several times your daily requirement. They're also rich in anthocyanins, supporting brain and vision health. Frozen black currants retain their nutrients, add to smoothies or oatmeal. These berries are a nutritional powerhouse. Number 11 is red currant, translucent, tart, and beautiful. They're a great source of vitamin C and add a fresh kick to dishes. Use them in desserts, sauces, or as a colorful topping. Their acidity balances sweet flavors perfectly. Red currants make any dish pop with color and nutrition. Number 12 is Brussels sprout, once dreaded, now beloved. A serving gives you more than your daily vitamin C. Skip boiling steam or roast for best flavor and nutrition. Roasted Brussels sprouts are caramelized, sweet, and healthy. Give these mini cabbages another chance. Number 13 is cauliflower, mild, versatile, and surprisingly high in vitamin C. Eat it raw for the most nutrients. Try it in salads or as a crunchy snack. Cauliflower can be mashed, riced, or even made into pizza crust. Its adaptability makes it easy to add to your diet. Don't let its pale color fool you. It's a vitamin C star. Number 14 is camu, an Amazonian fruit with sky-high vitamin C. It's extremely tart, so you'll find it as a powder for smoothies or yogurt. Just half a teaspoon delivers a massive vitamin C boost. Camu is one of the most concentrated natural sources on the planet. Tap into its power with just a sprinkle. Number 15 is raspberry, sweet, tart, and a solid source of vitamin C. Their vitamin C is highest right after picking, so eat them fresh. Use them quickly for the best flavor and nutrition. Raspberries are perfect for snacking or adding to desserts. Enjoy them at their freshest for maximum benefit. Number 16 is broccoli, nutrient-dense and full of vitamin C. 1 cup covers your daily needs, don't forget the stalks. Avoid boiling steam, stir-fry, or roast to preserve nutrients. Broccoli is a staple for a reason: easy, healthy, and versatile. Make the most of this mini tree. Number 17 is strawberry, sweet, juicy, and vitamin C rich. Just a handful meets your daily requirement. Wash strawberries right before eating to preserve vitamin C. They're packed with fiber and antioxidants too. Strawberries are a delicious way to stay healthy. There you have it, 17 surprising vitamin C superstars. From parsley to camu, there's a world of options beyond oranges. Try one new food from this list this week and share your experience in the comments. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe for more nutrition deep dives. Stay healthy, stay curious, and see you next time.